A lot of you has been asking that where you can buy your customized gate, customized chairs, and outdoor furnitures that's made of metals. This is the place that I can recommend you. It's called Aceria Metal Craft. The shop is only a small shop here in Talamban, Cebu City, but you can see the quality of the products that they made, which is now mostly displayed on high-end houses here in the Philippines, especially Cebu, because they also install gates, railings, balusters in different places of here in the Philippines. These are just the samples of the products. Like this one, the railing type, that they do. This is the name of the place, Aceria Metal Craft. So these are some of the product line that they do. They got gate and fence railings, restaurant chairs and tables, dog cages, door and window grills, Tiffany chairs and flower stands, zinc bars, aluminum brass ingots, staircase and balcony. I will give you all their details because I have their calling card right there on the video. You can see some of the samples of the outdoor chairs that they do. And the gates. So you can have a quotation made from the size of your gates. You can send them through emails and choose the design that you want for your metalworks requirement. So like I said, this is located on the main road of Talamban, Cebu City. That's on the way towards the Cebu City main. You're gonna pass Grand Mall, and this is towards the main Talamban connected to Tintay. This is a sample of the outdoor furniture that they do. This is made of aluminum metal. The whole set here that you're looking at with 4 chairs and white painted aluminum chairs costs 15,000 pesos only. You can see how durable it's made. It's quite heavy actually. And this marble ni siya, Ma'am Grace, and it's made of marble. So you can also buy this by chairs lang, ma'am, no? How much? 3,000? 3,000. You can also only buy the chairs. If you don't want the table. So the chairs itself cost only 3,000 pesos. But you can see how the workmanship that goes on the product itself. So they also have different like the balusters, so like designs like this for your gate, which you can choose from their catalogs and their brochures that you can put on your gates. And like this. These are some of the design on the top of your gate that you can put in. The prices for these trimmings cost starts from 75 pesos to 500 pesos. Depends on the sizes and design. Like the 500 pesos will be this, the big ones, the intricate ones. So you can see it better with the light. There, that one there in the bottom costs 500 pesos, the design. This set of 3 tables, large, medium, small, made of metal and glass, costs only 6,500 pesos. So you can see the workmanship. And this gray metal chair, also good for outdoors. 12,000 pesos for the set. So these are just the sample of the products that they do. Like they also have this, like look at this rocking chair made of metal. They can make to order, Ma'am Grace. They can make to order to your size, but this is just the sample. How much ni siya, Ma'am Grace? For this kiddies, this is the kiddie size rocking chair. But you can order this made to order to your size that you want, but also in thicker metals if you're on the heavy side. And also they have the balusters, samples of the balusters. So balusters, or you can also put it in the gates, no? Gates and staircase also. The gates, staircase, and handrails. How much is mga sample ani Ma'am Grace? Like this one?
That one is 750.
750 pesos.
Then the biggest one would be 1,000.
So from 750 to 1,000 pesos, like this S on the big one. It's made of aluminum. But it's quite heavy aluminum, so it won't rust. They also got this decors around your house, like this anchor, all made of aluminum. How much, Ma'am?
That one is 6,500 and then the other one is 3,500. The anchor.
6,500, 3,500. And they also do metal furnitures like this mirror with the head dresser, no siya, Ma'am, no?
Console table.
Console table. So the set pila siya, Ma'am Grace?
Price range is about 7,400.
So for the set, that's only 7,400, but it's made of solid metal. It won't rust. It won't rot. That's like an heirloom. So they can also make a cater for your made to order, like statues. Like this one is the Santo Niño de Cebu, made of metal brass. Pila ni siya, Ma'am?
6,000.
So for this made to order Santo Niño made brass, this is 6,000 pesos. It's quite heavy, but it will be an heirloom again to pass on to the generation. So these are some of the sample designs that you can use in your staircase, railings, or even in your gates. There they got a metal wine rack, and they also got this different design that they do to decorate your gates, railings, and staircases. So it's like a made to order gate designs for you to choose from. And they also made this cooker for like native cooking here in the Philippines. This is like a sample of a railing or a baluster type of metal decoration. So you can see you can incorporate your different design and the different trimmings. And they also make dog cages. You can see this one, this size here. Ano size aniga? Already got with plastic matting.
3 by 3 by 3.
For your pets. This is 6,000 pesos. It's already an insulation, metal roof, and the plastic matting so they don't feel the heat inside. The bigger one, this is 7,000. This one, yan siya.
4 by 7,000.
7,000. This one is also 7,000 because it's the same size as that one. Kani.
3
So the smaller ones for your rabbits or small animals is 3,500. The slightly larger one, that's 4,500. So you can also customize. They also customize, make your animal cages, gates, railings, balusters. We'll be showing you some of the sample of the projects that they do.